Hello, Paul here from EMD. This car is all done. The roof, the deck lid, driving mechanism was broken, so everything's been adjusted. As you can see here, now we're going to test it. I might get some more glue later to glue that back on, but just for now we'll leave it. I ran out of the good stuff, so I'm going to start the car up and I'm going to operate the roof. Alright, let's have a look. The button. Everything's working properly. If you look inside there, especially maybe here, see those little black clips are there that were missing on this car, so I had to put some 4 black clips on there to hold the actual carpet in, otherwise it will just come off and flap around. Alright, have a look. Okay, now let's close it. Alright, that's fully closed. Get some more glue later for that. Just for now, we'll leave it. So everything's working properly now. So now we're going to open. I'm going to show the deck lid at the same time. All right. Okay, that's all working. Everything back to normal. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.